Let's make homemade baked beans. You will need dried white beans soaked overnight and cooked, chopped onion, chopped garlic, optional fresh ginger, vegetable oil, chopped tomatoes, a splash of water, Worcestershire sauce, optional chili sauce, salt and pepper to taste. Heat the oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add the onion, garlic, and optional ginger. Sauté until the onion turns lightly golden. Stir in the chopped tomatoes and cook for a few minutes until they soften, reduce and begin to caramelize. Transfer this mixture to a blender. Blend until smooth, then return it to the pan. Add a splash of water to rinse out the blender and pour it into the sauce. Add the cooked beans with the sauce. Stir in a little chili sauce if using, along with a Worcestershire sauce. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Simmer gently for a few minutes until everything is well combined. Enjoy!